front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can easily access all your downloads. First of all, you need to go into Play Store and install free app called Files by Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then select Continue in the pop-up. Click on Allow and tap on Gray sweater next to Files by Google in All File Access section. Finally, you can tap on Browse on the left below Clean, and last but not least, tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!